Hi, welcome to the For Seller channel. This video will show you how to use listing rules and to listing your Temu products quickly on For Seller. Now there are 4 entry points for setting listing rules. Entrance 1, Setting Page Listing Setting button and click Listing Rule. Entrance 2, Product Scraper click Push to Store shows Push Rule Settings. Entrance 3, Listing Migration Page you will find Migration Rule Settings. Entrance 4, Copy to Store shows Migration Rule Settings. The Listing Rules Settings page. Let me show you how to add listings rules. Click Setting button and choose Listing Setting. Find Listing Rules. Now For Seller support you add product rules, price rules, and inventory and shipping rules. You can, according to your needs, choose the rules you want to set for your products on For Seller. Now let us add the product rules. First, input your rules name. Choose your target store. If you want to apply for your products accurately, you can select the target categories and the source channel. Here you can add information based on the beginning and end of the and then click Save button. Now let's set the price rules. Click Add Price Rules. Here you also need to input this price rules name. Select your target store, choose the category and channel as needed. You can input the source weight. We support setting the product weight range as a condition for scraper/migration rules. We support to set the basic pricing rules and the standard pricing rules. If you choose the standard pricing rules, you need to add your price range here. If your product falls within this price range, after applying the rules to the product, the price will automatically increase or decrease according to your setting. And click Save to save your price rules. Finally, let's try how to create the inventory and shipment rules. Add the name, choose the target store, the source channel, then choose the handling time, shipping template, and the target product's dimension and package weight. If you do not want to use the source weight and size, please uncheck them so that the product will use the weight and size you set first. Through entering all the information, please click the Save button. Now let's test the listing rules with the migration function. Enter the listing page and choose a listing to copy to your Temu store. Choose Copy to Stores and choose the corresponding store you set in the listing rules and click Import. Waiting for the ends of green bar and choose Next button. Let's enter the product detail page to see if the rules match successfully. Corresponding characters have been added to the product names and the prices of all products have been changed. The corresponding information has also been added to the details, and you can change or modify some information according to your needs. After modifying all the information, click Save and Publish to release this product. The above is the complete video content. If you are interested, welcome to follow our YouTube channel or scan the QR code to enter our WhatsApp group. We will release videos of new features from time to time. Thank you for watching.